Good evening, dear teachers and classmates. To begin, my name is Dayana Pinilla. I am from Puente Nacional and I also live there. I am a waitress in a hotel on the outskirts of town. My hobby favorite is watch TV with my son. I live with my husband and my son. I also study industrial engineering. Additionally, my favorite TV show is The Simpsons. Finally, my favorite sport is football. I am 32 years old. And that's all. I will tell about daily routine. In the morning, I wake up very early at about 6. I always take a quick shower. I get dressed, I brush my hair, then I cook and have breakfast with my husband and my son. Then I wash the dishes too. I clean my room. My husband and I take my son to the kindergarten and we are going to work at the Hotel Las Palmas. We take lunch at 1 o'clock. Then I go home and watch TV for 2 hours with my son and I rest. Then I cook the dinner for my family. We had dinner at about 6:30 in the evening. I study industrial engineering for 3 hours. In the night, I go to bed at about 10 because I need rest well to be energetic the next day. Thanks.